Using technical drawings, you can download the output as an SVG to your local machine. Here we'll choose Download. Then you'll open the file in Illustrator to make edits and perfect the sketch to your liking. When you open up the SVG file, it will appear to be a flat image. However, every area that you see is actually a shape. I'll first start by deleting the background. And then, if your layers aren't showing, navigate to Window and then Layers. Mine pops up in the upper right-hand corner. To be safe, I'm going to duplicate this layer by dragging it down to the plus sign at the bottom. And then I'll rename it Original, but this is optional. You can remove it from view by clicking the eye next to Layer. So now you have a duplicate layer without a background. I select any of the white shapes, and you can see on the left toolbar that it is white with no outline. And then you'll choose Select, Same, and Appearance to select every shape that is also white without an outline. With all the shapes selected, I'll create a new layer by clicking the plus sign at the bottom of the Layers window and right-click the artboard. Then choose Arrange and Send to Current Layer. This will move all the selected shapes to your new layer, which you can rename White Shapes if you would like. You can now remove this layer from view. If your shape has any other gray colors, you can do the same thing. We'll do that right now. Select Same Appearance, and we'll send that to its own layer. And I'll name that Gray Shapes. And then I'll remove it from view. Everything that's left now is black with no outline. Most of the larger shapes are part of a compound path. Left-click the outline and you'll see most of the layer is connected. Right-click and choose Release Compound Path. Then select all shapes, either by left-clicking and dragging a box around everything, or using Ctrl+A on a PC or Command+A on a Mac. In the left toolbar, flip the colors so that the shapes are a black outline with no fill. You'll find that you have lines that you don't need. You can delete them or clean them up. So here I'll delete a few right now. So maybe I don't need all of these style lines down here and they're not important to the design. But if you're just looking for a quick outline, you can select a few of the larger shapes, like this. Maybe I want some more of the soul in there. And then I can move them to a separate layer by creating a new layer, right-clicking, and then Arrange and Send to Current Layer. And I might change the name to Outline just to keep it organized. And now all of those lines can be adjusted or filled. I'll select one of them and go over here to the color picker here and select red, for example. You can also click the white layer back into view and fill these shapes with color. Again, I'm going to use the color picker, but if you had a swatch palette, you can actually use that here too by using your swatch window. So I'm going to pick a light blue, for example.